You might have seen many YouTubers showing their analytics and many creators making videos on running their faceless channel about 100 days, 200 days, and 300 days. Well, seeing those videos, I also started this channel, and this has now completed more than 100 days. You need to follow just 3 steps, and believe me, you will grow very faster. And don't miss these 3 important points. I am not going to say that third point is my favorite or third point is very important. If you want to start the faceless channel, then all the 3 steps are important. I will tell you the exact numbers and exact struggles which I have gone through. Firstly, everyone thinks of starting a faceless channel and getting monetized as soon as possible. But think, practically, is it possible to monetize your channel in 1 day or in 1 month? Will it be possible by you? Some creators have done it in just 1 video. But let me tell you the truth that they are all experienced creators, and they have knowledge about YouTube, and they are pro in it. Now let's come to the point. You are a beginner, and you need to monetize your channel as quickly as possible. Then before starting the channel, follow this point number 1, selecting a niche. This is the basic step where our lovely creators make mistakes and create their videos in urgency. Firstly, select the niche which you are interested in, and then check its CPC. Make sure that you select the niche which you are interested in, and also the niche which pays you the most. Well, if you are confused about high-paying niches, then here are some. Number 10th stands the cooking and tech niche, with an average pay of $2.50 per 1,000 views. The entertainment niche can get up to $2.75. Fashion and clothing can get $3.13. The lifestyle niche stands with an average of $3.75 for every 1,000 views. Cars and vehicle niches may get an average of $4.23. Photography and filmmaking can get $7.31. Educational videos can get up to $10. Finance and investment can get $12 to $13. Social media marketing can get $13. And the last niche, making money online, holds the first with an average pay of $14 to $15 per 1,000 views. So write down these niches and make sure that you select the topic which has high revenue, and also you must be interested in it. So coming to my journey, I decided to pick the niche which gave me high CPM, and also I am interested in doing this. The second most important point is you need to remember the basic elements which the videos need. Every video mainly demands the 5 important elements, which include powerful topics, a good thumbnail, simple titles, good editing skills, and the best SEO. If you provide these 5 elements, then you are ready to go viral for sure. In my case, when I started this channel, I didn't know the editing skills and about SEO, but in these 3 months, I have learned a lot. Now I can make a good thumbnail, which attracts the viewers, and I have good editing skills, which you are seeing now, and I am also good at SEO. Now the third and last important point is to stay consistent and have patience. Your first video will not get views, your second video will also not get you views, your 10th video will not meet your expectations. But you need to be consistent and be prepared for it. Until you reach your target, don't stop uploading the videos. You can set a target to yourself, like, in this month, I will gain this much subscribers and views, so that you can work much better with your videos. Remember that when you upload your first video, it may not be up to viewers' expectations by the 20th or 25th, you will definitely meet their expectations. Now coming to my analytics, it's not as much as you expected, but I definitely guarantee you that it will be 10 times more when I make the same video after completion of 200 days. Over these 90 days, I have nearly 4,000 views, which is 800% more than usual. I have achieved 70 hours of watch time. And finally, I have gained nearly 80 subscribers considering the last 100 days. You can feel that these are very small numbers. But I know the reason. This is not a new channel actually. This channel was started in June 2022, and I had left it in the middle. And this year in July, I restarted this channel. Literally, it's like growing a dead channel from first. So this channel still needs some time, which I am ready to give. I am uploading the best videos from my side, and the results are left to the audience. So if you feel that videos uploaded in this channel are useful to you and are knowledgeable, then please do subscribe to the channel and share it with the future creators. And if you have any suggestions, then please let me know in the comment section. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.